Hello my alien friends! Today we are going to learn how to make Mobius strip. First, prepare glue and paper strip. You are familiar with this glue and paper strip if you watch previous clips. Second, put the glue at the end of this paper strip. Third, make a circle, but here is important point. Fourth, you need to twist once. Fifth, then paste it. You made Mobius strip. Ta-da! One interesting thing is when you cut the middle of Mobius strip, you cannot make two separate strips, but one large Mobius strip. Woo! That's all for today. Thanks and welcome to Earth. How to for Alien.